My name is Bill Branham, and I'm the Director of Operations here at CBT. Part of my responsibilities include the oversight of our distribution warehouses. Distribution warehouses are essential components of the supply chain. The primary function of a distribution warehouse is to receive and store goods from manufacturers or suppliers and then distribute those goods directly to consumers in a timely, efficient, and cost-effective manner. The first step in warehouse operations is typically receiving. Goods are delivered to the warehouse from suppliers or manufacturers. The receiving team checks the shipment against the purchase order to verify the accuracy of the shipment. This includes checking the correct quantity, confirming the correct items were sent, and making sure the items are in the right condition. Order picking is another vital function in the warehouse process. When a customer places an order, the order picking team retrieves the items and prepares them for shipping. This can involve picking individual items or entire pallets, depending on order requirements. Once the order has been picked, it is checked for accuracy before the packing team prepares the goods for shipping. The final step in the process is shipping. The shipping team processes the order through our ERP system, Epicor Profit 21 or P21 for short. This process relieves inventory and allows us to invoice the customer. The order is then placed in a designated area for pickup. CBT can ship orders through a variety of different services. For parcel services, UPS and FedEx are the main options. For larger shipments, we can ship via many different couriers, LTL carriers, full truckload carriers, or flatbed services. Whatever shipping method is used, our shipping team ensures that the correct items are loaded onto the correct trucks and that all necessary paperwork is completed. In some cases, customers may return goods to the warehouse. We also have a returns team that is responsible for processing these returns and ensuring that they are properly handled. Our distribution warehouse also provides a range of value-added services such as kitting, assembly, and labeling. I hope this short video has given you some insight into what takes place daily in each of the CBT warehouses.